after this video. And after this video, we might make another one in the morning. We're doing this at night.
Because we're baller.
Yeah.
This light is really bright. Hold on, let me look at the recording. It's like super freaking bright. My hand is... I'm Casper. That's a weird sore I've got. Ugh, that's nasty. Let's not put that in the video. Okay, so you get a card, I get a card. You get a card, and I get one too. You get a card, I get a card. You get a card, I get a card.
Put it more in front.
You get a card. I get a card. You get a card.
You have it on the side of the thing.
What?
You have your cards on the side of the. We need to put it in the middle, like right here.
How many cards did I deal? I dealt 7. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, I just stepped. Oh, I mean not stepped. I sat on my
7
thing.
All right, 7. That over. There we go. All right. All right, it's my turn, right? Okay.
Oh god.
+2, you man. 1, 2.
Hate you.
And then that skips your turn, which means there you go.
Okay. Well, this skips you, so it's my turn. This skips you, so it's my turn again. And this 5 is Bala. There you go. So I reverse. So what would that do? Is my turn?
Yes.
So I place a 2. Bam. So fuck. It's my turn and you get this +2.
Shut up. Alright, your turn.
So good things. 3.
3.
Red 6.
Oh wait.
That's a 5.
Wait, you know how there's a 3, 2, and then 1.
You can't do that.
Yes, you can. I'm just kidding. No, you can't.
I have to say, I know how to play.
Hey, why did I take your 6? Man, I don't want your 6. Alright.
Okay, so 5.
4, 3, 2.
Stop.
+4. And I changed it to yellow.
No. Okay, sir.
And plus uno, which means you gotta get 2 more.
No, that's not in the rules.
Yeah,
you
uno.
made that up.
No, in uno, if someone has 1 card, you have to say uno before they do. If you want them to get.
Okay, go, John. Great, I can play stuff, can't I?
Yeah.
So 777, my lucky numbers, and here's a 1 for you, sir.
I got a 3. Uno.
I've got
uno. I got uno. I got 1 card.
9.
I win. Ooh, let's play something else. Dominoes. Yes.
Okay, let's play modern chess. You ever heard of modern chess?
No.
Okay, so you take a chessboard.
Yeah. They can't see the name, can they?
I don't really care.
Yeah, they can see it.
No one's gonna be looking up the family. This is not.
I call white.
Okay, so
I'm white.
You ever? Okay, so
Just
get your
like
pieces. I'm gonna show you the transition or the history of how chess became it. Okay, so this is basically the story of chess.
The story of chess.
The story of chess in my eyes, in the eyes of CEETAY. Don't set up yet. I gotta show you something.
Oh.
Okay, so this is an amazing story. It all comes from the brain of CEETAY. It's the best story ever. It makes so little sense, but it also makes zero sense again. But I'm gonna move this over there.
Here, put this in the Uno cards.
Uno cards, that can go over there. I don't really care. I'll pick those up never.
So this video will be called Idiots Play Chess. Losers Play Chess. Uno, no. And burp.
Okay, so once upon a time there was a queen, and she was like, you know what? I'm black. No. Whites come in later. So
Whites are racist. Okay.
Okay, so I'll tell you when. Okay, so once upon a time there was this queen, and she was black, and she said, I'm gonna get all my color, and so she went, and then this other guy, he's like, hey, you want to start a civilization? And she was like, no. And he said, well, fine, you got to. So they stood next to each other for 1,000,000 years until these two retards come up and said, hey, we need a job. Can you help us? And they said, no. He said, okay. But then they just stood by them forever and ever. You know, nothing ever happened. So then these four retards came up and they were all, hey, can we get a job? And they said, no. But they still stood in front of them because they were idiots. Then one day, these two idiots that were knights, they said, hey, you know what? That looks like a kingdom. We're knights. We need a job. So they was like, and they went over there.
No,
but
that's not
the right knight was like, it's not kingdom, but I'm gonna go there anyway. And and then two more retards guarded them. And then the king and queen discussed one day, and they're like, okay, these dummies are not gonna leave us alone. So what are we gonna do? And the queen was like, you know what? Let's just build a castle. So they bought the plan, and all of the idiots that joined them built a castle. And then two of the idiots that built the castle kind of did something, and they had two kids, and they also guarded everything. And then the Black Kingdom was all happy until the menace came. White people. So one day, this white queen was walking.
Where's the white king?
White queen was walking. I don't know. There it is. It was like, I want to be on my color. So she did. She walked on her color. Then the same thing happened, but except the king decided he wanted to go to the bar, and he met this dude, and he was a white king. He said, hey, I can hook you up with this girl that is like right across the field from my kingdom, and she's lonely, she's bored, and the guy was like, okay. So one day he went over to her and said, hey, you wanna make civilization? And she said, no. So he did it anyway. They stood by each other just like the black kings and queens did.
It's brown. I can't go with this no more.
And the same thing pretty much happened to the White Kingdom, only
they were white.
We're gonna get flagged, and we're sorry.
We're sorry, but we have to make this. This is
so funny.
We are the losers who play chess. We don't know anything. This is just a backstory of what happened.
So that's basically what happened, and over the years, the blacks.
They won it. The black and the white got in an argument with each other. The white and the black.
So this is what happened. So one day, the king and queen of the blacks and king and queen of the whites were like discussing how they were gonna kill each other. So this is how this discussion went. Hey, so I want to kill you. By the way, and the queen was like, no. So the king said, okay, and marched back to his kingdom, broke a hole in the wall. He's just like, okay, but I get first turn. And the blacks were like, why? 'Cause you're white? He's like, yeah, it's 'cause we're black. Yeah,
Bro, not black.
Die, pawn. So yeah, that's how the war started. So go extreme. That smells like, whew, that smells like iron. That fart was bad.
Oh God.
I just screwed everything up. I'm a failure. I'm sorry. Kill me. Okay, so
A little bit of an issue, but we don't care.
my knee hit the stand. So
Yo.
you're gonna do that move. One of your retards is just gonna. Oh wait, this knight's whispering to this bishop. Hey bud, you know that the black shit gonna kill us, right? No.